You're going too close. It will be hard for you to move out. Careful. Keep an eye on the left here. Don't go too close. If another vehicle is coming, you will get stuck. See? Pull up on the left here. Yeah, inside. Inside. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah. Okay, go now. Go. Yeah. You flashed it. Go. Yeah, keep an eye on that car, yeah? You flashed it. That's it. You're doing a good move. Pull up on the left here. Like this. Yeah. Carefully. Space through. There you go. Understand? So you have to be very, very vigilant, very much focused in this situation, okay? Where to go, where not to go, what to do, what not to do, okay? Keep driving, please. Go in here. Equal gas. Fine. Perfectly fine. Honestly, it's tricky, but narrow road, isn't it?
Yes.